Welcome to my project bazaar. Our project title is Providing User Security Guarantee in Public Infrastructure Cloud. Our modified abstract is the infrastructure cloud service model offering the improving resource flexibility and availability where the tenant insulated from the hardware maintenance. The 10 computing resources to deploy and operating the complex system. The large-scale services running on IaaS platform demonstrating the viability of the model. Many organizations offering and operating on sensitive data, avoiding the mitigations of operations to the IaaS platform due to the security concern. In this paper, we describing a framework for data and the operation security in IaaS, consisting of protocol for trusted launch of virtual machines and the domain-based storage protections. We continue with the extensive theoretical analysis with the proof about the protocol resistance against the attacks in the defined threat model. The protocols calls the test to established by remotely attesting the host platform configuration prior to the launching the guest virtual machines and ensuring the confidentiality of data in the remote storage with the encryption key, maintaining the outsourcing of and the outsiding of the IaaS domains. Now, presently, the experiments results demonstrating the validity and the efficiency of the proposed protocol. The framework protocols are implemented on the test bed operating a public electronic health record system, showing the proposed protocol can be integrated into the existing cloud environment. In our process, we implementing the user security guarantee in the public infrastructures. So it providing on a security guarantees to the users' files and the users' privacy informations. In our data flow diagram, first of all, the user register the information into the process. After that, they go to the login process. In that, the user can upload or other process. For uploading process, here the user is choosing the particular file for the uploading, and the file will be encrypted, and the file will be stored in the virtual machine. So for that, we creating the cloud resources, and we selecting in the cloud resources it generating the multiple virtual machine inside the cloud, and after that we selecting the cloud's best VM from the cloud creations. After that, we allocating the files. Depending upon that, we comparing the file size. After that, we allocating the files into the virtual machines. And then for the other purpose, here for user 1 and 2 are participated in the process. Here the user 1 is a responser and the user 2 is requesting the file. After that, the user 2 requesting the file. The file is the user 1 file is want to access to the user 2. So here the user 2 send the request to the cloud service provider, and the cloud service provider send the request to the user 1, and then the user 1 will be decide whether it is a yes or no, it is denied or access. If the user 1 give the response as a yes, means the file will be accessed to the user 2, otherwise the file will not use a downloaded process to the user 2. Likewise, we giving the another type of security to accessing the other users files, and then here we can store our data in the cloud, and we allocating our data in the virtual machines in an efficient way. Likewise, we giving the securities guarantee to the users in the public infrastructure cloud. Let's start our demo. Our project title is Providing User Security Guarantee in Public Infrastructure Cloud. Here, first of all, click that image. Here, the user have to register the informations. Enter their email ID and choosing their desired state. Depending upon that, the capital also assigned. And then enter the username, password, and the confirm password. After that, the data is entered and the user is successfully registered. After that, the user login into the account, and entering the username and password and click the login. And the user is authorized user, and it go to the main page. In that main page, they having the both login and the request. We already login. After that, we have two process. This is file request. This is for the file uploading. After that, uploading and others. Here if the user want to upload means click that upload button. Here the user choosing their files. Click here, choose the anyone files. After that we getting the file name and we applying the cryptographic techniques to encrypting the files. Here we using the AES algorithm to encrypting our data, and then we getting the size of the file. Okay. After that, here we going to register cloud resources. Click the cloud resources. Now the file is successfully uploaded into the server and it is moved to the cloud resources form. Here it automatically generating the VM number. Here choosing the capacity, RAM, speed, everything, and click the add button. Now the VM is created, and after that click the new. Depending upon their RAM speed, it is generating the category of the machine. After that we are allocating our files. Now the virtual machine 1 is allocated for the file. The file 100 is allocated to the VM ID 1 with a bandwidth of 512. Likewise we are allocating the virtual machine, and after that login some other user. They click the others means the other, and after that we requesting. Means here it shows the multiple users. A, because the A user 1 is registered here, login here. So now we confirm and send the file request to the cloud service provider, and after that we click in CSP Java. Now the cloud service provider get the request from the user 2, the username and their file name and the owner of the who is the owner of the particular file. After that it send it to the owner, the request. Now user 1 get the request from the user 2. After that, for authentication, if the user send yes or no, if the user 1 give the access and send to the cloud service provider. And owner response. The owner reply to be yes. Okay. Here we getting the response, and the owner response is yes. And for the process, we get in the permission granted the file download. Now the file is downloaded to the user locations. Likewise, we give the security to the file. Otherwise, if the user once send as a request as a no, response as a no, means the file did not download it to the user 2. Thank you.